Welcome back to our channel. The 2026 Honda Odyssey is the answer to the modern family's mobility needs. It is not simply a minivan, it is a masterclass in maximizing space, comfort, and intelligent design. For the new model year, the Odyssey maintains its reputation as the benchmark for family vehicles, blending a refined drive with industry-leading flexibility and technology. This is a machine designed to simplify life, mile after mile. Under the hood, the 2026 Odyssey is powered by a robust and reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine with IVTEC technology. This engine delivers a strong 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, providing confident acceleration for merging and passing. The V6 is paired with a smooth and responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, which includes paddle shifters for drivers who want more control. The Odyssey uses a front-wheel drive system. Despite its family focus, the Odyssey is capable of towing up to 3,500 pounds when properly equipped. To aid in efficiency, the engine features variable cylinder management, VCM, which seamlessly adjusts the number of active cylinders to conserve fuel, helping the Odyssey achieve an impressive estimated 19 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. The interior is the Odyssey's true command center, built around one revolutionary feature: the Magic Slide second-row seats. These seats offer incredible versatility. They can move side to side, making it easy to access the third row even with two child seats installed. They can also slide forward, bringing children closer to the front passengers. When maximum cargo is needed, the third-row Magic seat stows quickly into the floor with a one-motion operation, and the second-row seats can be removed, opening up to a massive 140.7 cubic feet of maximum cargo volume. The Odyssey comfortably seats up to 8 passengers. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic. Inside, technology works to keep everyone connected and safe. The driver benefits from an available 9-inch color touchscreen infotainment display with seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, alongside a 7-inch digital driver information center. For rear passengers, an available advanced rear entertainment system with a large 12.8-inch high-resolution screen and built-in streaming apps keeps long journeys entertaining. Parents will appreciate 2 signature features: CabinTalk, an in-car public address system that allows the driver to speak to rear passengers through the speakers or headphones, and CabinWatch, a rear seat monitor that uses a camera to check on children without turning around. Other conveniences include an available hands-free access power tailgate, a wireless phone charger, and tri-zone automatic climate control. Every Odyssey comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This comprehensive package includes essential features such as the collision mitigation, braking system, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow and lane-keeping assist system. The exterior design is sleek and modern, utilizing LED headlights and taillights for a sophisticated look. Depending on the trim, the Odyssey rides on attractive 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels, adding to its premium aesthetic. The darkened rear windows neatly conceal the tracks for the standard power sliding doors, enhancing the clean, streamlined silhouette. The 2026 Honda Odyssey is a thoughtful, powerful, and adaptable minivan that leads its class in family-friendly innovation. It's engineered to make every journey easier, safer, and more enjoyable for the entire crew. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.